How to fix Monster Hunter Stories 3 Twisted Reflection is crashing on Steam. First, you will need to right-click the game in your library and open up the properties. Go to Installed Files and verify the integrity of game files. And once this process is done, you want to go back to the General tab and add -DX11 to the Launch Options box. Now you can close Steam and open up a new browser tab and download and install the latest supported redistributables. You can access that link by searching for Redist. Click on the first link and then scroll down to the second table and download the 86 and the 64 installers and install both of them. And once you're done, you want to check if you have the latest graphics card driver update. So for NVIDIA cards, you can use the NVIDIA app, go to drivers and check for updates. And for the AMD, you can download and install the AMD software. And once you've installed the latest available driver, you can open up Steam as admin, right click on Steam and run as admin, and then just launch the game from your library. And this should solve the crash problem. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and see you on the next one.